Hello, class. This is your persuasive Glideshow assignment. I'm going to go through what is required of you, and then I'm going to show you an example of the Glideshow that I made for you guys. Well, I didn't make it for you, but I made it for an example. So this week's project, you will use Adobe Spark to create a Glideshow. The purpose of your Glideshow will be to persuade me of your opinion. So you can make this about anything. Make it about, I made mine about my favorite football team. You can make yours about why Apple is better than, or why iPhones are better than Android. You can make it why you should wear Nike shoes. You can make it why Friends is the best TV show. You can make it which is the best fast food restaurant or something like that. Anything you want that's your opinion. Make it something that you like, something that you're very fond of or passionate about or whatever. So that it'll be, the reason I say that is because it'll be easier for you to do it that way. Last year I had a student rather, tell me or do one on which is better, burritos or tacos. And it was a very, like, it sounds silly, but it was a very, very good project. He put it together great and had some good evidence behind it. So it was really cool. Don't freak out. I say evidence and I say a persuasive thing, but don't freak out. This is really not that difficult of an assignment. Adobe Spark is really super simple to use. You'll see that when I show you the video. I'm going to do a video of how to use Adobe Spark, and it's not difficult at all. So you're going to persuade me of your opinion of anything. I don't care what it is, as long as it's school appropriate. Persuade me of what your opinion is. To do that, you will have these requirements here. These are the requirements for your Glideshow. You will have a title page. Page is, I say that loosely because you'll see how it looks, because you're going to make a page, a website page kind of thing with Adobe Spark. That's what it is. So Adobe Spark is kind of like, it's similar to like a slideshow, but it's way cooler. Just there's more graphics and pictures and videos and stuff like that instead of just a boring old slideshow where you do animations. Kind of lame, kind of boring. Adobe Spark is way updated and it's more interactive and definitely cooler. So you'll have a title page, or at least the title on the first picture you'll be using. Have a clear statement of what you're trying to persuade me of. You'll see that. You'll need two buttons, and buttons are just hyperlinks. They work the same way a hyperlink does with using text. Two embedded videos, easy to use. You'll see again. At least 5 images and at least 3 separate paragraphs explaining your persuasive argument. Don't freak out about the paragraphs. They don't have to be huge. They don't have to be super long. Just a few sentences. I'm more interested in you learning how to use Adobe Spark so that you can use it in other classes. But I do want 3 separate paragraphs of text that you type in. You'll see where there's a place to type in and text and do that. It's simple to use, and you'll see. So these are the things that you're required. You also these are the things you're required to have in your show. So it's really easy. Title page, clear statement of what you're trying to persuade me of. 2 buttons, 2 videos, 5 images, and 3 paragraphs. Okay. Again, the paragraphs don't have to be super long. So here is my Glideshow. Right, the best franchise in the NFL, and this is how the Glideshow works. You just simply scroll down through. So this is my title page. You'll scroll down. There's my picture in the background, and my title. And here is my slide. So I'm gliding through, I'm scrolling down and going through here. This is my first picture here in the background. And this is my paragraph, right? Starting out with a clear statement of what I'm persuading, right? The Pittsburgh Steelers are the greatest team in NFL history. That's my persuasion, or that's my clear statement of what I'm trying to convince you of. So I have my first paragraph, and then this here is a button, the little red thing. And when you click on that, it takes you to a link. So this is the link of photos of the Steelers hardware, I like to call it. That's all their Super Bowl trophies. Anybody who's a Browns fan out there, the Super Bowl is what they play at the end of the year if your team makes it through the playoffs. I know you guys aren't familiar. Sorry about that. So back to my Glideshow. This is gliding. There's one image. That's one of my texts, or one of my paragraphs, and one button. Keep gliding, and I get to the next one. This is another image with a quote. The image had a quote on it already from Chuck Noll. He was the coach in the 70s and part of the 80s. So this is my second paragraph. It doesn't have to be huge and doesn't have to don't kill yourself about the paragraphs, but do make it make sense, have it be relevant to what you're doing. And then this is a video, embedded video into the Glideshow. You'll see how to do those. Those are easy. So there's one of my buttons, one of my videos, 2 of my text. Now I have another image in the background, and then my third paragraph of text and another button. So there's buttons talking about all the great plays the Steelers make. Immaculate Reception, Lynn Swan's circus catch, and then another image, which is I think 5. Well, actually, these 3 images here I forgot to count, so where it's like 6 or 7 or something like that. I did a bunch, and I actually have 4 paragraphs of text. Another button that leads to the team's page talking about all the nonprofits they work with and why they're such a good team and how they're a part of the community. And here's my last image of the towel and the best hype video ever in the history of football. So beautiful. Look at the sacks everywhere. Oh my goodness. That's right. Pick against. Oh. Yep. Big tackles. Okay. So that is the video, or that's how the Glideshow works. I will post this video, and then I will also post this Glideshow for you, or a link to this Glideshow so you can go through it again if you want to. I know you probably, most of you want to watch that hype video, especially you Raiders fans and Cowboys fans out there. It's good stuff. And then I'm also going to post another video of how to. So I hope you guys are doing well and have a great day. Thank you.